Ching, mom of four. I have two girls aged 8 and 6 years old and twin boys who are 9 months old. I'm a content creator, a TVC model, an events host, and a mompreneur. For family fun time, we usually play at home, spend quality bonding time together, having different family games that we can enjoy playing together, and we also love to travel. Learning toys are essential because they do not only entertain, but they also promote skill development for our children. So like for me, when choosing toys for my kids, I make sure that the toys are engaging. It will really keep them occupied. Yun talagang ma-entertain sila. Because, I really believe that the kids, they really learn best when they're playing, through playtime talaga.